Okay. I turn it down, I'm sorry. Okay. All right, let's go eat this one while we leave that one for a minute. Look at that. Just cut it open for you. It's so good. Let me try to taste it. It's pretty hot still. Have a bite, you guys. Thank you. Just like I remember them. So good. The steam coming out. There's literally steam, and I thought it was a hair, but it's not a hair, it's steam. Okay. Whew. A little bit on the other side. Oh, so good. Delicious. Oh, True Fry was here too. Francis, thanks for being here. Oh, somebody helped review. You have a heavy sex drive now also. What? You know what? You don't even know nothing about me, dude or dudette. Yeah. How do I do it? Alright, I guess YouTube already held your messages for review. Okay, we're done. We're done with this. Alright. Okay, they're done. They're all done. A little bit browner on the other side, but that's okay. Okay. That pan is hot. It's hot. Alright, so let's grab one of these too. I don't know, probably this one. We'll try what this one is like. But I'm going to eat this one first because this one's going to be hot. Ooh, look at that. I should have put an egg in it too. I think for this cheese, I should have put an egg in it. Yep. To make it stick together more. Because it kind of came right out. But it's hot. I'm going to grab another one of these other ones because they're cooled down already. And I'm going to eat with you guys. Sit down. Okay. Oh, is it ever smoky in here? Smoky. Got too many coats and hose coats and everything else. It is smoky in here. Can you guys see this? How smoky it is. It's smoky in here. Hey, Cajun style cooking. Cajun style cooking. Okay.